Everything we see is made of atoms, but atoms make up only about 5% of the universe. Scientists discovered that most of the universe is made of something unknown. Isaac Newton's gravity suggested the universe should collapse under its own gravity. Albert Einstein added a cosmological constant to keep the universe stable. In 1929, astronomer Edwin Hubble discovered that the universe is actually expanding. The farther away a galaxy is, the faster it moves away from us. This is observed through redshift. If the universe is expanding, it must have started from a single point, leading to the Big Bang Theory about 13.8 billion light years ago. Scientists originally thought gravity would slow the expansion. In 1998, observations of distant supernovas showed that the universe's expansion is actually speeding up. This mysterious force became known as dark energy. The universe's biggest mystery. What is 95% of everything? Look around you, the phone in your hand, the chair you're sitting on, the air you're breathing. Everything is made of atoms. For centuries, scientists believed that if we understood atoms, we understood what the universe was made of. But what if I told you that atoms make up only about 5% of the entire universe? So what is the other 95%? That's one of the biggest mysteries in modern science. Part 1. Gravity creates a problem. Back in the 1600s, Isaac Newton discovered gravity. His theory explained why apples fall from trees and why planets orbit the sun. But it also created a puzzle. If gravity pulls everything together, then shouldn't the entire universe eventually collapse into itself? Scientists didn't have an answer. Even Albert Einstein struggled with this problem. In 1917, Einstein added something called the cosmological constant to his equations. It acted like a balancing force to keep the universe stable. At the time, he believed the universe wasn't changing, but nature had a surprise waiting. Hubble changes everything. In 1929, astronomer Edwin Hubble made a groundbreaking discovery. The universe wasn't standing still. It was expanding. Galaxies were moving away from us in every direction. The farther away a galaxy was, the faster it seemed to be moving. Scientists noticed that the light from these galaxies was stretched toward the red end of the spectrum. This effect became known as redshift. It was the smoking gun that proved the universe was expanding. Einstein later called his cosmological constant his greatest blunder. The birth of the universe. If the universe is expanding today, then it must have been smaller yesterday, and even smaller before that. Following this idea backward in time leads to a remarkable conclusion. Everything in the universe was once packed into an incredibly small, hot, dense state. This event became known as the Big Bang. Scientists estimate it happened around 13.8 billion years ago. Another surprise. For decades, astronomers believed gravity would gradually slow the expansion of the universe. It seemed logical. Gravity pulls things together, so eventually the expansion should start slowing down. But in 1998, two teams studying distant exploding stars called Type 1a supernovas discovered something shocking. The expansion wasn't slowing down. It was speeding up. Some mysterious force was pushing the universe apart faster and faster. Today, scientists call this mysterious force dark energy, and together with dark matter, it appears to make up about 95% of the universe. The strange part? We still don't know exactly what either of them is. So the next time you look up at the night sky, remember, everything you've ever seen, every star, every planet, every galaxy, might be only a tiny fraction of what truly exists. And the biggest part of the universe remains a mystery. If you enjoyed this journey through the cosmos, subscribe for more science stories and mysteries of the universe.